Full I am when the sun just gaze my skin. It's like sun kiss. Just look how naturally beautiful I am. You can imagine, G? God made me so perfect and beautiful. Look at the sunset. Look at that. Gee, you could imagine I'm so beautiful. Ain't you? Gee, you wish you was beautiful as me? No? Gee, you wish you was perfect like me? Look the sun on my skin. No makeup, no nothing. Look at this. This is so majestic. I'm so beautiful. I love you. So precious. Oh my God. You see this girl on the screen? You looking? You see her? She deserves the world. She's supposed to be adored, treasured, and spoiled, and pampered. You know that? You agree? Yes? That's lovely, lovely, lovely. Let me show you guys the sunset now. Say hello to the sunset. Hello world. I am the truth and the light. Look at the sun. Look how beautiful this is though. Oh my God. I am so obsessed. Wow. Like, boy, sometimes you study all kind of thing, but then when you stop to enjoy these moments, when you stop to listen and observe and feel the sun on your skin and feel the wind in your hair. Sorry, baby girl. That's everything. You know what I mean? That's everything. That's just everything. That's glorious. That's like life. The beauty of life. You know what I mean? True beauty lies in nature. You know what I mean? And one thing I keep saying this, I think I said this in, but okay, I'm talking too much. I had to cut out that part. She be like, girl, you're talking too much. I'm like, okay. It's like the sun just have me in awe. Look at that beautiful sunset. You're going down. You're going down. Isn't it beautiful though? This is so beautiful. I'm glad I could stop to enjoy moments like this. All praises to the Most High all the time. You know what I mean? There's always something to celebrate about life. You know, like somebody could have the best day today, and somebody could also have the worst. It's just all about life experiences and to enjoy moments like this. You know? Stop and smell the roses, darling. So I'm by the park. Let me show you. The sun already set. Tree stump. I look under the sycamore tree. Under the sycamore tree. Signs from Francis and Jane. That's what it says. And this is my favorite tree and my favorite spot to be because I can always see the sunset. Yeah, wait, you guys sing it for you. Ready.
Sit under the sycamore tree.
Yeah. Sun.
Me.
Yeah.
Sit under the sycamore tree.
Yeah.
A boy wants it. She say for free.
Under the sycamore. Yo, life is just, oh my God. Greatness.
Cucumber, mango sauce, and sliced pepper,
I didn't take Kuchula. I didn't take Mother Pepper or Mother Earth or whatever they just call it. Mother-in-law. I didn't take that kind of pepper. I don't want that to burn my boomsy. No. That's it. Welcome to
Doubles! Welcome to Trinidad and Tobago.
Doubles.
Period.